Okay, so welcome back to daily money strategy, and we are done with the introduction, right? So we ended somewhere because of my battery power, and we are continuing now. So I said we have several models, right? We have the first model we have is the two candle model, right? Now, if you look at what GU did today, if this is our CRT, I want everybody to look up. If this guy, if yesterday was our this daily candle, if this guy was our CRT, and where's our I? This is our I, right? And where's our low? Our low is here. Has the job of the CRT reversal been completed or not?
It's completed.
It has been completed. So how many candles did it? Two candles.
Yeah.
So in the two candle model, only one candle will do the work. It will read either the high or low and go to the target straight. Is that taken? That is the two candle model. That's the two candle model. Now, let's look at the three candle models. I'm seeing several examples here. Which one should I choose? Now, the purpose of this class is to just introduce you to it so that you can now go and make your research or go back to that book that was posted to the group. You understand? Me, I have several applications of this CRT, right? I have several applications. I broke it down into, um, the more you stay on the chart, the more you see things for yourself. So that's how it has become for me. So there's a way I will use CRT that standard CRT traders will not know that it's CRT that I used here. So now, so let's forget everything from this line to the left. So this is our CRT candle. This red guy, this guy is our CRT candle. So we want to look at the three model candle, the three model. Now, in the three model, we have our CRT candle, right? So where is the CRT? This is the CRT low, and this is the CRT high. Is that taken? Can you see that?
Yes.
So now in the three candle model, in CRT, I said there are two ways of trading CRT. It can break out and it can reverse. It's this reversal that is the when you go to standard CRT traders, it's reversal they are looking for. It's reversal they are looking for. Now, in the three candle model, can you see this guy swept the low, right? Can you see? Did he sweep the low or
Yes.
not?
Yes,
But
is there.
after sweeping the low, it will close. A bullish candle can do this too. So forget about maybe it's bearish or not, right? Now, this guy swept the low. After sweeping the low, it will close, right? Now, it will not take a third candle to complete the job. Can you see that? This third candle took the high. So in CRT reversal, once the low has been taken, the high is the target. If the high is taken, the low becomes the target. Is that understood? I want to
Yes.
answer, is that understood? So can you see? So this is the three candle model, the three candle model. So your CRT candle will be swept by a candle that will not go to target. It will just raid it and close. Then it will take a third candle to do that. So let me break it down to lower time frame so you can see. So these are CRT. I'm demarcating the CRT candle now. So let me demarcate this one too. So let's go. So this is CRT candle. Can you see it was, see how it looks like on the lower time frame. So can you see the third one? The third one is now the expansion to take this high. So imagine you got a buy here. Imagine you got a buy here and you now took profit here. What have you done? You've dashed the market the remaining move. Actually, it's good to take your profit and maybe just secure something. But from experience, now not just experience, from knowing structure, because if this guy is not, if the structure is not bullish, maybe the market will just come to the 50% of this place and just reverse. Can you see that when it goes to 50%, it's almost reversed, right? Can
Yeah.
you see? So the first target is 50%. The second target is the high. Do you get the three candle model now, please? Do you
Yes, we
get?
got it.
So let's go to the multiple candle model now. Let's go to the multiple candle model. Good. Now look at, it's not all the time that the next candle will take the high. Look at this place. Can you see this guy? Uh, okay, no. What I want to show is not there. Now let's look at the multiple candle model. Now, before we go there, let me show you some. Let me do something. Let me do something. Okay, now let's continue first. Now I've seen the multiple candle model. See the multiple candle model. No, this guy violated. This is a two candle. Now look, if these are CRT, how many candle model do we have here? I want somebody to answer. If these are CRT, how many candle model do we have here?
2.
Very good. Very good.
Go to the left. I think there's an example by the left. See that bearish, that long bearish candle. I think is an example.
Very good.
The long bearish candle towards the end. Yeah, the one. No,
No.
that long one. I think
Towards the end, towards the end. Okay, this one right. Okay, I've seen one here.
that longest bearish candle is an example.
I can't really see, but I've seen one here. Let's use this. Now, if these are CRT candle, right? Now, if these are
Okay.
CRT candle, the next candle will raid the eye, right? Will raid the eye. So instead of the third candle coming for the low, it will now take multiple candles. Can you see? This one did not hit
Yeah.
target. In fact, this one did as if it was going away, right? Then 1, 2. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to hit target. Took 1, 2, 3, 4 candles to hit target. Now let me show you another example here. This is, if this is a candle range, if this is a candle we are using for candle range, right? Can you see this guy? Let me clear up. Okay. So if these are candle range, this one took the low, right?
Yes.
Now, and if our target is here, it took 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth candle even did as if it's going away. Then the fifth candle now came to blow it. Is that taking?
So for a station like this, don't you think it will hit stop loss?
Now,
Because that second candle after the CRT went below the CRT and the first candle. So
now that is
possibly
where
they are
it's just like
loss.
when you are being taught how to drive, right? When they taught you how to, who drives here?
Bicycle.
Now, okay. The day you were taught how to drive bicycle, did they teach you in your training? Did they teach you that one day you will face trailer, another trailer will be coming at your back? Where you taught? They only taught you how to drive. Experience now show you what to do, whether you want to wait or you want to overtake. So that is where putting everything together is, if you are very convinced that this structure is bullish, that's why I said, I commented in the morning, you don't use CRT as a standalone. It only helps you to, it's the best thing that CRT does is it helps you to define your liquidity and your target. Many people have problem picking liquidity. So CRT helps you to pick your liquidity and your target. Is that taken? So now let's
Yeah.
assume you got an entry here. You should have taken something here. So this one is as if they sent somebody to you. It wanted to eat your profit and just brrrr. You get. But mind you, this is daily time frame. If you go to lower time frame, these are big moves. These are big moves. Can you see big moves? These are big moves. So if you are not greedy, you should have taken something. And there are many trades inside. There are many, many trades inside. You see, it almost hit your target, right? And it now came down and hit a bullish order block and just boom, just boom. At times, maybe you were afraid and you now close your trade. You lost your profit, but you did not lose your capital. Then the next day, you just, oh my God. Can you see? So that is it. So now another thing that I should show you is that after the CRT candle, after the CRT candle, so can you see I've explained model 2, I've explained the 2 candle model, I've explained the 3 candle models, and I've explained the multiple candle model. Now there's another variation. All the models that I explained, it's just as if after the CRT, the next candle is raiding it, right? Now, at times, it will not work like that. The next candle after your CRT can be a inside range candle. I asked that when I was asking that how many possibilities exist. Somebody said breakout and range, right? Now, very good. An example is standing in my front. If this is our CRT candle, this guy, if this is our CRT candle, I've overdone what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to do definition so that when you pick that book, it will be clear to you. Now, have you seen our CRT candle? Can you see it?
Yep.
Hello? Did the next
Yeah,
candle
yeah.
did the next candle read it?
No.
Can you see? So that's another variety. So it took another candle to read it. Then another one came to blast the target. You understand? Another one came to blast the target. So if you look at your chart, CRT is everywhere on all time frames. On all time
Okay,
frames.
sorry, I have a question. Can I ask?
Okay. Okay, now before the
What's the
question, I want to be very sure, do we all get, or even if you don't understand, did I meet my objective of defining CRT for you?
very well it is?
Yes.
Uh-huh. How many people? I want a response from, if my goal, I'm a teacher. So as a teacher, you should, for every class you go into, if you have ever taught before, that's why you have lesson notes. So my objective today is to just define. And what is definition? What is C? What is R? What is T? Then what do they do? So to now really get hold of it is you now go and sit down with the recording and go and lose your sleep over it. One thing about trading is that at times it will look easy, then you sleep and wake up, and it feels as if it's not easy again. Now, where the issue is that you've not done thorough work. You don't watch video once and say you've understood it. You understand? So, but do you all get it by definition? Do you all get it by definition?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes.
So my work is done. So let me have your. So I'm coming. Just hold on. Let me go to today on H4. H4. This G now. This G. Now, if you look at this place carefully, you see that these two candles they are for Asia. This guy, did this guy take this eye or not? Did he take the eye of this candle or not?
Took it, yeah, it took it.
Now,
The red candle, huh?
yes, it took the eye of this. Now, do you know that some people will be looking for buy inside this place? Let me show you where people will be looking for buy. This candle, this candle. So let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this. So so this our CRT candle. Let me mark it. I low. So I've put a demarcation there. So let me go to M15. Go for M15. Now, this our CRT candle on lower time frame, right?
Yeah.
Now, you won't imagine that somebody will be drawing bullish order block and they want to buy. In fact, it will have even entered and screenshot and post profits in massive profit. Post profit. You know that massive profit stuff, we're in massive profit. So let me go to M5, right? We'll have screenshot. Only for, this guy, once this guy is taken, if structure is on our side, we are coming down. We are coming down, right? So he bought here and he used tight stop loss. The thing just hit his stop loss. Whereas this guy still has a mission. Right? It has hit the stop already, but it's still coming down again. Still coming down. Once London open like this, can you see? It has been smashed. Can you see? The thing will even go down lower now. Because I can see a break of structure here and I've seen a retest. Can you see? Can you see? So you don't have any business you buy here except you are, and there's something you call ultra scalping. Ultra scalping means you are even faster than normal scalper. You are faster, you are scalping like a machine. You take and just go. So maybe you'll have taken this and go, right? As a scalper. Then can you see how it came down? Is that taken? So now I just opened your eye. So I read the book, right? I read the book, but I didn't really, yes, I read the book. But what I thought here is more comprehensive than what is in the book. But if you are following the book and you want to just stay with what the book is saying, this that I've taught you will help you know what to do with the book. Is that taken? So let me go to gold. Yes.
Sorry, please. Are you referring to that 12 pages book that Mr.
Yes.
Zhang is
Yes.
sent? Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Now, he mentioned that I used CRT today on gold, but on daily time frame, I can't see CRT today. I can't see CRT today. But if you go to lower time frame, we see it. So today started here, right? Today started. Hello, everybody. What is this? How many candle model just happened now?
2.
Very good. Now, can you see?
One.
No, 2 candle model now. The CRT candle and the one that will blast it. Now, how many candle model
Okay,
can you
the
see
black
here?
market.
So there are ways to select. See, any candle that rates, any candle that is high or low is rated, is a potential CRT candle. They are different, they are standardized time-based candles, right? But in application, any candle that the high or low is graded and structure aligns with the direction is a potential. Now, can you see how many candle model is this,
3.
right? How many candle model is this?
Multiple.
Very good.
Like 4.
So one is more than 3 is now multiple. What of this place?
Multiple.
I hope you get it. What of here?
Multiple.
Mhm. So can you see? You are buying from below. So like I said, some people just use it for I think the way I'm looking at Zion stuff is using it both for the reversal and the breakout. Both for reversal and breakout. But if you are doing breakout with CRT, you have to be very, very careful. That is why CRT traders just sit alone with the reversal. That's one that is very sure for them. Do you understand? You have to be an expert to be doing breakouts. You have to be an expert to be doing breakouts. Let me look
Sorry,
for.
please. I have a question based on what you showed us. No, now, this candle that you picked. Now, if I check the candle that we are looking at, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one doesn't have the breakout. The candle is thick,
This
so
which
there
one? Is
is
it this
no
one?
what do they call this one?
Can you point me to that
No, this
area? Is it to the right or to the left?
I can't point to the right.
Is it this one?
You picked a candle before.
Is it this one?
The one that we have to count one. No, I'm not seeing your arrows, sir. It's like you've left where I am. This
I used to see my
shit.
screen anyway.
Okay, maybe some other time.
You can't. Someone can
No, okay,
annotate on
you've
my Zoom
left
now.
where it was
Okay,
when you
now
were the other side.
let me be moving. Once I get there,
No,
just
I
call my
can see your
attention.
screen now. Don't worry.
Okay.
That's not the candle.
Once I get there, just stop me.
I think
Then you
you're
have to
referring
move
to those
fast
multiple
because it's far.
candles. Those multiple candle example. Like the one that has this long wick low.
I'm referring to candle where you have between 12 and 6 and 18.
Yeah, right.
Between 12 and 18 time.
This is 12.
Yes. So now where you had the fourth candle.
This one, right?
Yes, the
Okay.
fourth candle.
Okay.
No, now that candle now, are we going to, because what it doesn't have the wick, there is no wick with the candle. So are we going to use it like that, even without the wick?
No, no. Our CRT does our CRT
Because
candle have weak or
when
not?
you were here when you asked that how many candle break
And now,
it
okay, now,
has.
okay. So now these are you got that these are CRT candle, right? Isn't it? Shebi,
Yes,
Now, the work of this guy
yes.
is just to touch it, just to eat it. Whether it now has a week or not
Okay.
is not our concern. Our concern is that after this guy has been raided, we are coming to take this one. I know if you are in this trade, this is your target. So once you hit your target, you are done with it.
So can
Rest
I
of
ask my question?
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can I ask the question now?
Yes, be fast because this battery will
Okay.
go down too now.
Okay, sorry. My question is, we've seen this thing is looking exciting, but I want to ask, which time frame does it work properly on, and what is the mode of selection?
Now
so we can be
we
guided.
started on daily time frame, right?
Yes.
And what time frame are we on now?
I think it's H1 if I'm not mistaken.
Let's go to M15 now. Scroll. Did you see it or not? Can you see?
Yeah.
So one thing about CRT is you can use it for, if you are a scalper, you use lower time frame. If you are a swinger, you do it on higher time frame. Now, why there are, I will look for how to send the key times. But the purpose of the key time is just for you to know which candle to pick. But if you stay on the chart so long enough, you discover that any candle that the low, do you know the meaning of, is this not a raid? What's the meaning of raiding? Raiding means if a candle fails to close below a high or low. Now look at, can you see this? Now I'm trying to look for something now. Now look at this place. Look at this low here. Don't look at the high because you may be seeing a CRT there. Can you see this? What's this?
Mm-hmm.
This candle closed
Yes.
below this low, right?
Yeah.
This is not a
Yeah.
raid. This is not a raid. A raid happens when a candle fails to close below or above the preceding candle. So what it does is that it weaks it. Can you see? This guy wicked this guy.
Yeah.
And after wicking it, it goes opposite direction. Now, the moment that happens, this candle has fulfilled the definition of CRT. So it can be selected. Let me go to higher time frame so that we see. Now, can you see this candle? Now, look at this place. Did this candle, was this guy rated or closed above?
Closed above.
They get. Now, was this guy rated or closed above?
Closed above.
Was this guy rated or closed above?
Closed above.
Was this guy rated or closed above?
Above.
What of this guy?
Above.
Now, so if you now say we want to use this candle for CRT, this particular candle, can we use it for CRT reversal? Huh?
No.
Why? Because
No.
it has
No.
been broken. So any
Yeah.
candle that market fails to break but it takes the high and closed below, that candle qualifies for our CRT.
Okay.
Now, there's something we call formative CRT. That one happens during the two candle model. That's why the two candle model is low probability. What did I call it?
I didn't get you.
The two
Low
candle model
probability.
is low probability because how are we sure that that candle that read it will not reverse again? Do you get what I'm trying to say? Let me go back to G.
Yes.
Let me go back to my battery now. Battery. Now look at today. Today is a two candle model, right? Okay. Now today is a two candle model. Why? Because this high was you need to be an expert to trade two candle model. The easiest is the three candle and the multiples. Why? Because the red is obvious. The red is obvious. Now, can you see? This guy that did this trade can come to a place and just turn back. Do you understand? Can you see the way? Look at this place. Was this guy rated or closed below? This candle. Was it rated?
Close below.
It's closed below. Now, do you know that in the place
It's
of
close
forming
below.
in the while this guy was forming, there's possibility that there was a time that it looked as if it was raiding. You get. So any candle that is raided,
Yes.
any candle that is raided and the second candle now closed, the candle that raised it, if that candle closed and fails to break, then it qualifies for CRT. That is the best way to define it. That's the best way to define it. Now, let me show you something. I just hope my battery allows now. Can you see? This guy looked like CRT, right? Yeah, this is a good CRT candle. Why? Was this one rated?
Yes.
It was rated, right? And it failed
Yeah.
to
Yes.
close below it. Now, I can guarantee you that if you go to lower time frame, there will be a time that it will be as if this guy wants to close below it. It's most likely going to happen. So let's go to lower time frame. Let me do. Okay. No, he didn't do that. He didn't do that. So this is how it looks like on lower time frame. This is how it looks like on lower time frame. Do you get? So so my battery is about to go down, so I'll be able to record this. If you have any question, maybe if you have opportunity of having another session any other time, you can ask. But I'm very glad that you now understand the definition of CRT. So go back to the book, and any application that is taught in the book, practice it. There are different applications for CRT, different applications that may not even be within the context of what the standard teaching is. What I taught you is for you to understand, so that anywhere you see it being applied, you know that, oh, this is CRT. Is that taken? So thank you very much for tonight. See you some other
Thank you
time
very much.
if we
Yes,
do
sir.
have the opportunity.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Thank
you're
you. God
welcome.
bless you. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, boss. Thank you so
yeah,
much.
have a
Please,
wonderful
you
night
help me
rest.
forward the video, cool?
So we'll
Okay, no
be
problem.
expecting the record
Yeah, I will,
so
I
that
will.
we can listen to it again
Yeah,
and again.
I will.